Here are the top 10 most beautiful birds in the world. 10. Atlantic puffin, bright beak and bold contrast. 9. Lilac-breasted roller, vivid blues, purples and greens. 8. Mandarin duck, looks hand-painted in color. 7. Golden pheasant, flowing gold and red plumage. 6. Resplendent quetzal, emerald feathers and long tail. 5. Hyacinth macaw, deep blue with striking yellow accents. 4. Scarlet macaw, red, blue, and yellow perfection. 3. Wilson's bird of paradise, colorful crown and dramatic display. 2. Peacock, iconic tail feathers and iridescence. 1. Indian roller, blue jay look-alike, electric blue in flight. Beauty in nature doesn't repeat itself, it evolves.